Hi there, dear enthusiast. If you are looking for exciting project to ignite your creativity and get those sparks flying, I have got the perfect idea for you. Imagine crafting something truly unique, both functional and eye-catching, right in the comfort of your own workshop. Today we are diving into the exciting DIY welding project that is bound to leave a lasting impression with this venture if you are only on your welding skills but also create on for our kid masterpieces that is undoubtedly become the masterpieces of your space. So grab your welding gear, buckle up for the amazing journey, and let's start turning your welding dream into reality. We will guide you through every step, providing clear and concise instruction to keep your project running smooth. Either you are since welder and just getting started, this project is designed to the both engage and achievable. By the end of these tutorials, you have stunning pieces of functional art that showcasing your welding skills. So let's drive and discover the perfect Java project to fuel your creativity and elevate your welding game. Dear welding project that is not only fun and creative but also great way to enhance your welding skills. Either you are beginners or seasoned welder, this project is designed to the both engaging and educational. We will guide you through each step with clear instruction and tips to ensure your success. This welding project involves crafting unique and functional pieces that will not only impress your friends and family but also serve as practical purposes in your daily life. We are going to walk you through fantastic welding project that will not only challenge your skill but also result in training and functional pieces. With step-by-step instruction and expert tips, you will learn how to create something truly special is not on time. Either your welding project or just starting out, this project is designed to be accessible for enjoyable for all skill level. We have got a fantastic project that both beginner friendly and incredible satisfies scenes while either you are going to create a one of kind steel fire pit tables with just a few basic tools, some scrap metal and a bit of creativity so can transform your outdoor space but cozy oasis where friends and family can gather around the warm glow to customize fire pit. Not only will this project add a touch of style to your outdoor area but will also serve as functional pieces of art that is perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Fire up your welding machines and let's dive into the fun of rewarding DIY welding project. We're going to walk you through the fantastic welding project that will not challenge your skills but also result in stunning and functional pieces with step-by-step instruction. Either you are welding pro or just starting out, this project is designed to be accessible and enjoyable for all skills levels. So grab your welding gear and join us on an exciting journey to turn raw material into a work of art. We're going to create you one of kind steel fire pit tables with just a few basic tools, some scrap metal, and bit of creativity. You can transform your outdoor space into a cozy oasis where find family and care around warm glow to customize fire pit. Not only will the project add a touch of style to your outdoor area, but will also serve as functional pieces of art that perfect your relaxation. We will going to guide through an exciting welding project that sure to spark your interest. The project not only engaging or enjoyable but also incredible, useful, making perfect but also both beginners and experienced welders. So grab your safety gear and welding machine and let's get started on journey DIY welding adventure. Where rusty topped knot welding project not only spark to inner craftsmanship but also on break to bunk your ready to roll up your shelves on engaging welding project is get perfect for both beginners and experienced welder alike. We will guide you through each step. We will provide expert tips and techniques to ensure your success. By the end of this video, you will one of the kind. Thank you so much for watching this video.